Hello guys, are you trading cryptocurrency? If you are not, you should. There is a huge potential, and I've got some good news for you regarding a very nice opportunity. I don't know if you are familiar with the Ripple currency. It's the third one regarding the size of market cap. So we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then there's Ripple. It was second for a moment on the top here. Now it's third one. So as you can see, there was a huge rally up from like 20 euro cents to €2.85 in a maximum, and now we've got very strong bearish pattern called Gartley. You might be familiar with this one. I've posted already a few Gartley ideas before, but this one looks really promising. If I wasn't already buying Ripple, because I was buying when it was quite cheap, so I still hold it as a long-term investment. But now there is a good opportunity to buy some more, and yeah, let's have a look. So basically, from the beginning of this huge movement, we've got the XA wave, then there is AB on 68. Let me show you. There's 0.61.8 over here. Then there is retracement to 38.2. So everything like in a book, like a perfect picture. And now we've got the fall to 78.6, actually 0.786, but it's percentage, so 78.6% of all this movement up. And look at this week. So that means some professionals, some big money, big investors were buying here, so this is a very good moment to jump on as well. Of course, I'm not advising anything because that would be, I think, illegal. I'm just telling you that we've got this Gartley pattern, and you make your own decisions. Just bear in mind that every investment is risky, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. And yeah, I think it's a very good potential for the currency to grow. This currency in general is meant to be for banks. It's a private company, and they keep signing contract after contract with huge companies like MasterCard. Actually, not MasterCard, the American Express. I'm not sure about MasterCard, and recently MoneyGram. So there is a huge value. It's not just the fashion of cryptocurrency, but this is a future of payment. So there is a big value in this currency. So if you want to just trade, like technical trader, buying from B, you can take first profits at the C level, so around €2, and if you want to hold it for longer, as I do, sky is the limit, basically. So fingers crossed for this currency to go up. All the best with your trading. Talk to you soon. Bye.